Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're unboxing a brand new bag and accessories from Teddy Blake. All right, so I'm just going to jump right into today's video. I'm super excited to be working with Teddy Blake. When they reached out to me, I knew I wanted to partner with them because it's actually a brand that a few of you have asked me about over the years, the past couple months especially. So I was excited to kind of go online, pick out a bag that I thought that I may be interested in and a couple of accessories, and then unbox them and share them with all of you. So that's what we're gonna do today. This box is huge. The reason that I'm doing kind of more of an unboxing and not like a first impressions or first look is because I wanted to highlight their packaging because it's some of the best that I've seen, and I've unboxed a lot of bags. So Teddy Blake is luxury handbags that are made in Italy. They have a variety of different styles, different textures, different colors. The website is so fun to look through. I had such a great time kind of going through all the different styles and selecting one that I thought would kind of fit my style the best. I also have some of their wallets in here, coin purses, a bunch of different accessories. So we're just gonna kind of jump right into it and open all of these up. I will show you here before I start pulling them out what the box looks like. All packaged, everything is individually wrapped and given in a dust bag, which is awesome. The inside of the box here, when you first open it up, it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. So there you have it. I think we'll go ahead and take out some of these smaller accessories first. I have a variety of different leather colors in here, which I kind of did on purpose because I really wanted to show the versatility that are in these Teddy Blake bags. Starting off with this here, looks like it is the coin case. And I will have down below in the description box everything that I'm opening today, as well as my discount code with Teddy Blake, and I will have the names of the items with the colors because I might not have the actual names or colors as I'm taking them out of the wrapping, so I wanna make sure I'm specific if there's something here that you wanna check out on the website. After I unbox all of these and share them with you today, next week I'm actually gonna be sharing a packing video of this bag. So stay tuned for that if you're curious to see kind of what fits inside and how these bags pack up. That is gonna be coming at a later date. All right, so the coin case, I believe is what this is. I believe so. It looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. The hardware is really, really nice. And right off the bat from opening the box, it smells so, so good. I can tell that it is very, very high-end leather. All right, so the first item here, like I said, is the coin case. You have the Teddy Blake logo down here at the bottom. Nice detailed stitching. I love the feel of this leather. On the back of it, you do have your traditional kind of ring here that you can attach to your keys, or you actually have a clasp that you can attach to like the side of a handbag or another pouch or something like that. The zipper is really, really smooth on this coin case and it opens up like so. Has little gussets on the side and a really pretty leather detailing on the zipper. Moving on to the next item here, it feels like it is a strap. I think that is what we have here. This is their wide strap, and I'm unsure of the color. It looks like it to be a camel kind of tan. It feels really, really nice. It is adjustable, has some gold detailing here that makes it adjustable, and then your clasps down here at the bottom of it. It also has the Teddy Blake logo down there at the bottom of the strap. It feels really, really nice, and I really like the length of it. The next item here is the card holder. And this one is in one of their crocodile leathers. I'm not sure of the color of this one. Like I said, I will put them all down below. I believe it's a rose color. Online, when I was actually looking at this, it looked a little bit more pinker than it is in person. In person, it's actually really, really pretty shade. I will show you it up close. It has a really fun texture and kind of print in there. You have one card slot here and another one at the top. And then the center, you also have another opening. So you have 2 card slots on each side and then a center opening here. So it's great to kind of pop down in pockets inside bags or even small pouches if you just need a really, really simple way to carry additional cards. All right, 2 more accessories here and then we'll open the bag. This here is one of their bag charms and I think it is really cool. They have a couple of different shapes and different letters, of course, and they launch them seasonally, so you can always get kind of different varieties. But this one here is the A, of course, for my name. And again, I'm unsure of the leather kind of combination, but it is just a regular like leather tassel and it has an A and it's 2 different colors, one on the front and one on the back. It is really, really cute. It has some fun kind of stitching detail and I love the bright kind of pop of color on the back. All right, last but not least, we're gonna open up the wallet. This looks like a pretty traditional zip around wallet from what I could see on the website. And I can't remember what color this one is in. I will probably remember when I open it up here. I love that each one of these items that I'm taking out is secured with bubble wrap and a dust bag. Like it's very, very secure packaging. So inside here, oh yes, this was a really pretty blue color online and it's super pretty in person. I love it. And I love the way that it feels. Oh my goodness. And it smells so good. It smells really, really good. Such great quality. Loving, loving this. I'll show you the wallet up close here before I open it. Has the Teddy Blake logo, as you can see, and then the back of the wallet here is just flat, but I love the texture and the look of this leather. It's such a pretty, pretty blue. When you unzip the wallet, it unzips the entire way around and it opens up nice and wide. I love it. You have card slots over here on this side, a zipper pocket in the middle, and then more card slots on the other side. I really am excited to use this. All right, diving into the bag. I'm really excited after seeing those to open this up and show you guys the bag that I selected. I think I'm gonna love it. I looked through all of the different styles and I picked this one out for a couple of different reasons. I knew I wanted a tote bag that was gonna be functional for everyday use, but I could also put my iPad in there if I needed to, and a book, possibly a notebook, but something that wasn't going to be too big to kind of carry around, but big enough to carry all the things, if that makes sense. And I really loved the look of this leather. Oh my gosh. It is super soft. All right, so this here is the Vanessa bag and it is in the 14-inch size. There's 2 different ones. There's a 12-inch as well as the 14-inch. And to be honest, I was between the 2 sizes because I didn't want something that was really, really big, but I wanted it to hold my iPad Pro, and I do have the larger size. So I'm excited to kind of put that in here to see if it fits. But I'm happy that I went with the bigger of the 2 sizes because this is not too big of a bag at all. First impressions right off the bat is this smells so good. You can tell that it's made with really high-end leather. The handles are a nice structured top, yet you can kind of tell that they're gonna give over time and really soften as you use the bag. The leather overall also is very, very soft, yet structured. I don't like leather bags that are super, super stiff. Like I like ones that kind of conform with your body, that are gonna show some imperfections over time, and that are going to soften and kind of get even prettier as you use them. The bottom of the bag here does have 4 feet, and you don't have any pockets or anything on the outside of the bag. The side of the bag does look like it snaps and also unsnaps, probably to kind of give a little extra room if you should need it on the inside of the bag. The bag also comes with this super cute little charm that's hanging off of it. There's nothing on the back side, and the front just has the Teddy Blake logo. All right, so unsnapping the handle part right here and unpacking the inside. Has tissue throughout it, kind of protect it and keep it shape in shipping. It does come with an optional shoulder or crossbody strap, which we'll get into in just a second. One of the reasons that I loved this style tote was the way that it was set up. The inside here has a middle divider that kind of separates the bag into two, and I loved that. The divider, yes, thank God. The divider goes all the way down to the bottom base of the bag, so you won't lose anything in between it, so you can truly keep your bag kind of separate into two main sections. The zipper is also very, very smooth in the center, and the inside of the bag is an unfinished leather. I'll kind of show you what I mean here by unfinished. You have the nice kind of polished leather like the outside of the bag, but the inside is this soft, unfinished fabric. There's two little hooks on the inside, which I assume are for the strap, because I do not know any other place that the strap would go besides these two hooks. All right, putting the strap on, I'm going to go ahead and try the bag on. Have not adjusted it or anything. I probably would need it a little bit shorter, but I like right off of the bat that it does have this little clasp that you can hold the handles together, because it will keep the bag closed when you're wearing a crossbody. All right, so I kind of have the camera at a spot where I can't really move it, but I will try to move back so that you can see this bag a little more on the body and see how comfortable it is. I really think it's gonna be a home run. I'm excited to pack it up. So this is pretty much set on almost the longest setting here. You can definitely make it shorter if you want the shoulder strap to just be used over your shoulder and not wearing it crossbody. So you do have a little bit of play with the length of the strap. And then of course you can use these sold separate straps if you want a different look altogether or a little bit thicker of a strap. These straps do seem to be about double the width, if I'm not mistaken, as the one that comes with the bag. So just a little bit kind of different of a look. All right, so I know I promised that I'm gonna pack this one up in a separate video, but I'm dying to know if my iPad fits inside. Let me go grab it. All right, moment of truth. I have the iPad 12.9, I wanna say. I'm not sure of the exact dimensions. It's the larger of the two, but I carry the Magic Air keyboard on it, so it kind of makes it a little bit bigger than it comes, if that makes sense. So I have trouble finding bags that will fit this comfortably. All right, let's stick it in. It fits like a glove. It fits really, really well in here. Again, I'm glad I didn't go with the smaller of the two sizes. I was really on the fence and torn between which one. To be honest, the iPad probably would have fit in the smaller one. I really think it probably would have, but I like the extra room and give that's kind of in this one. Let me see if I can, I'll make sure, obviously in the packing video, that you see nice aerial shots of this and how I have it packed up, but just for today's video, you can definitely see there's no issues packing the iPad in there. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I'm gonna pack this one up right now and record a packing video so I have it right ready to share with you very soon. A big thank you to Teddy Blake for sending over all of these goodies for me to share with you guys. I'm excited to work with this brand and hope to continue to work with them in the future to show you guys some different options from them. First impressions are very, very high. I'm impressed with the quality of the leather, and I really am loving the style of this Vanessa tote. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.